Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter review. I'm your host Pepe Prawns. We're here today to give away those Plaid motors, the cockroach frame, and some other goodies I'm going to throw in the box for the winner of this particular giveaway. Don't forget, in any one of my videos at all, if you look in the upper right hand corner at the beginning of that video, you will see links to any of our giveaways going on here at the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. All we need to do is copy this URL, paste it into our random YouTube picker, see how many comments we have on the video, and then what we do is we press start. It's gonna run through everybody we got here, and it looks like we have David Martins. So congratulations, David Martins. Let's go ahead and click through to his YouTube and make sure he is a subscriber here on the channel. I'm gonna guess that he is. Looks like he's liked a bunch of our videos. And guys, yeah, if you like it or share it in Facebook or some of those other social networks, that really helps me out on the channel, getting our channel to grow a bit more. The more the channel grows, the more I can help you guys out. And there he is. There's got our Quadcopter review logo right there, so he is definitely a subscriber. So definitely, David Martins, you are the winner. So you can contact me at Pepe Prawns, PepePrawns at the Quadcopter review, and we can get this settled up so we can get this shipped out to you and taken care of. So as always, guys, like I said, don't forget, upper right hand corner, any video I make in the beginning, you will see a link to all the giveaways going on the channel. And you know, thanks for coming and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.